Welcome back to He Works Hard for the Honey. I'm Chris, without the bee gear. Never actually sure what sequence the videos are going to go up in, but I was working in Hive 1, and it's so hot here in Portland today that my phone actually shut down. But there was some really interesting stuff in there that I wish I had been able to get on film. Not the least of which was some pretty advanced queen cells. And now, as everyone has to when they have a healthy hive for some time, I have to start looking into swarm management. And that means is bees will fill up any space they've got, and when that space starts to be full, they'll make queen cells. A queen will hatch if an egg is laid in it, and when that happens, the old queen will leave with half to sometimes 2/3 of the hive population, and they go off and they find somewhere else to live. If you'll excuse me a second. And while that's great for local bee populations and that's great for the environment as a whole, unfortunately, it's not good for beekeepers who are hoping to produce honey, as we then lose the production of 2/3 of the hive potentially. So I'm going to be reaching out for some consultation. What I'm imagining we're going to end up doing is what they call a walk-away split. And that is, let me turn you guys towards the hives. All right, you'll see on both of them that there are 2 brood boxes. I've got a honey super and then an extra honey super up top so that I could leave some syrup. So a walk-away split is as simple as taking one brood box, putting it on a new stand, making sure that there are eggs in it, and that there is a queen in the other one, and they will sort of split into 2 completely separate colonies. So long as I can keep everyone healthy and get everyone through the winter, bees will no longer be a cost to us. That as they fill up and as they remain healthy, they're going to look to branch out, and we will continue to split the hives or start nukes, which we can then sort of displace or sell. So that's it for now. I know going forward we've got or we are at least in the process of getting equipment to fog the hives with oxalic acid, which will kill the varroa. And we'll do a couple of treatments on successive weeks, and then for about 3 straight weeks before winterizing. And I am going to wait for my phone to cool down, and I hope you guys will join me over at Hive 2.